God! Just kidding. It's the antenna that was bent on Steve's 69. Don't worry, we solved the problem. So I pulled out the cable and the grommet down in there. Just undone the 4 screws here. Carefully pull her out. The original antenna is out. Gonna clean here under the gasket just real quick. And then we will put our new antenna and gasket and all that jazz together. Hey Steve, I heard you got a really long antenna. Anyway, it's on there. Beautiful. Just gotta plug it in now. So the only real difference between the one for the Monterey and the one for the Mustang is the firewall grommet. Everything else is pretty much the same, but just take this baby off, put this baby on, and this little fiber chingamadoo is in here. Done deal, boys and girls. And there is our OE grommet with our coax going through it for the antenna. Now we're gonna plug her in and we done.